It is given that x plus 2 is a factor, so x equal to -4. So p of -4 equal to 0. And then divide by this, so x equal to 1. So p equal to 1 is b. So we have the 2 -4 cubed plus 3 -4 squared plus a -4 minus 12 equal to 0. So all divided by -4. Then we will have the 32 minus 12 plus a plus 3 equal to 0. So the a plus 35 minus 12, 23 equal to 0. So we have the a equal to -23. So this is -23. So b is the 2 1s cubed plus 3 1 squared minus 23 1 minus 12. So 5 minus 23 minus 12, then it's -30. Okay, so factorize completely, state all solution. So the px is this one. The x plus 4 is the factor. So we do the long division. So x plus 4 is the factor, so divide by the x plus 4. So this is the 2x cubed plus 3x squared minus 23x minus 12, then 2x squared, 2x cubed plus 8x squared, and then 3 minus 8, then is -5x squared minus 23x minus 5x minus 5x squared minus 20x, and then negative 3x minus 12. So minus 3x, so it's -3x minus 12. So the px is x plus 4, 2x squared minus 5x minus 3x. Then we have the x plus 4. We factorize this one. X and 2x here. 3, 1 minus 6 plus 1. Okay, so we want to find a solution. So when this one equal to 0, then x equal to -4, x equal to 3, x equal to -half. This one is 3, not 3x. -5x minus 3. Okay, so question number 2. Remainder when px divided by this equal to 0, x equal to -1. So p of -1 is the 15 -1 cubed plus 22 -1 squared minus 15 -1 plus 2. So I have the -15 plus 15 cancel. So we have the -20. No, this is 24. 22 plus 2, 24. Okay, so we need to show that the x plus 2 is the factor. So just now this one, what we do is we are using the remainder theorem. So this is equal to 0, then x equal to -2. So the p of -2 is the 15 -2 cubed plus 22 -2 squared minus 15 -2 plus 2. Okay, so this one is equal to -30 120 plus 88 plus 30 plus 2. Okay, then this is 0. So we want to write Ps as a product of linear factor. So we know that the x plus 2 is the factor. So we do the long division with the x plus 2. So x plus 2, 15x cubed plus 22x squared minus 15x plus 2. So we have the 15x squared, 15x cubed plus 30x squared, and then the minus, so 22 minus 30 is negative x, 8x squared minus 15x, then minus 8x squared, and then minus 16x. So the negative 15 plus 1, then it will become x plus 2. So plus 1, then it is x plus 2. Okay, so the px is equal to the x plus 2 multiplied with the 15x squared minus 8x plus 1. Then it's 8 plus 2. And we do the factorization, 3x, 5x, 1, 1, minus, minus. Okay, so, yes, settle that. Question number 3, use the factor theorem to show that this is a factor of px. So this is equal to 0, then x equal to half. So the p of half is equal to the 4 half cubed plus 9 half minus 5. So it is 1 over 2 plus 9 over 2 minus 5, then 0. So 2x plus 1 is a factor of px. Okay, so write ps as the product of the linear of the product of this one. So we do the long division here. Okay, so since the factor is the 4x cubed plus 0x squared plus 9x minus 5. The factor is 2x minus 1. Then we have the 2x squared, 4x cubed minus 2x squared. Then 0 minus negative 2, that is become 2x squared plus 9x. So plus 2x plus x, then it will become 2x squared minus the x, and we have the 9 minus negative 1, which is 10x minus 5. So plus 5, then it will become 10x minus 5. So the px is 2x minus 1, 2x squared plus x plus 5. Okay, yes. So they want us to write as a product of linear and quadratic factor. So that, so question number 4, do not use calculator in this question. So we want to find the p of half. Then it will be 2 half cubed minus 3 half squared minus 23 half plus 12. Then we have the 1 over 4 minus 3 over 4 minus 23 over 2 plus 12. So negative half. So negative 24 over 2, that is negative 12. So this is 0. So the x equal to half, then 2x equal to 1, 2x minus 1 equal to 0. So we know that the 2x minus 1 is the factor for this one because the p of half is 0. So over here, they ask us to write the ps as the product of three linear factors. So we have the 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 23x plus 12. Then we have the 2x minus 1. So this one we divide by the x squared. Then it will become 2x cubed minus x squared. So the negative 3 minus negative 1 will be negative 3 plus 1. Negative 2x squared minus 23x. So this is negative x. Then it will become negative 2x squared plus x. So negative 23 minus 1 will become negative 24. So this is negative 24x plus 12. So minus 12, this negative 24x plus 12. Okay, so the px is equal to the 2x minus 1, x squared minus x minus 12. Then we have the 2x minus 1. Then we have this one, the x 3, 4 minus 4 plus 3. Okay, so we want to solve this one, the px equal to 0. So we have this one equal to 0. So we have the x equal to half, x equal to negative 3, and x equal to 4. So question number 5. Do not use calculator for this question. Factor of this is equal to 0, then x equal to 2. So we have P2 equal to 0. So we have the 2 cubed minus 2 squared plus Q2 plus 56 equal to 0. Then we have the 16 minus 12 plus 2 cubed plus 56 equal to 0. Then 2 cubed plus 4. Then this is plus 60 equal to 0. Then 2q is negative 60. Q equal to negative 30. So the px will become, this is negative 30. So we need to factorize completely and then solve it. So we do the long division here. We have the 2x cubed minus 3x squared minus 30x plus 56 divided by the x minus 2. Then this is the 2x squared, 2x cubed minus 4x squared. And then we have the negative 3 plus 4. Then it is x squared minus 30x. So plus x, then we have the x squared minus 2x. Then it will become the negative 28x plus 56. So minus 28. So negative 28x plus 56. So the px is x minus 2, 2x squared plus x minus 28. And we do the factorization over here. So we have the x, 2x, and then 4 times 7, 28. So plus 8 minus 7. So we have the px equal to 0. Then this equal to 0. Then we will get the x equal to 2, x equal to negative 4, and x equal to 7 over 2. Done.